Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the clock ticking sound on and off on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of your watch screen to open the Apps menu. Select the Settings cog. Tap Sounds and Vibration. Scroll all the way down the Sounds and Vibration settings and tap System Sounds. Then turn the toggle on to the right of ticking to enable the ticking sounds, or turn the toggle off to disable the sound. You can also enable and disable the ticking sound from your phone. To do this, open up the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Tap on Watch Settings, then tap Sound and Vibration. Scroll down to and tap on System Sounds. Then switch the toggle on or off to the right of ticking sound to enable or disable it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.